Hello, my name is Nell Spurley, and today we will be building a fun, simple, and easy to use magnetic accelerator. Magnetic accelerators come in all shapes and sizes, ones with big magnets or ones with small magnets like the one we're working on. Magnetic accelerators can also be built with electromagnets. This has applications in transportation with maglev trains, as well as in the military with railguns. For this project, you will need 37 small geomag magnets, 28 steel ball bearings, some Scotch tape, and 10 wooden blocks. To start this project, you will not need the Scotch tape or the wooden blocks. We are first going to create two polarized strips of magnetic triangles. To do this, you are going to find two magnets of the same polarity. To determine the polarity of the magnets, hold the magnets close together. If they repel each other, they have the same polarity. If not, flip one of the magnets around and check again. Now, without turning either of the magnets, attach the two magnets together with a steel ball. Then, take two more steel balls and a third magnet and put it between the first two magnets. The polarization of the third magnet does not matter. You are now going to take another two magnets and determine their polarity by checking if they both repel the first two magnets that you put together. They should also repel each other. You are going to attach them together in the same manner that you constructed the last triangle, but instead of using two new ball bearings to attach the third magnet, you will use one of the ball bearings that you used in the previous triangle and one new ball bearing. You are going to complete this process 4 more times until you have a row of 6 magnetic triangles. Now that you have completed the first strip of triangles, take one more magnet and check that all the tips of the triangles repel it equally. Now flip that magnet over, and it should attract to the tips of those magnets. You will use this polarity to start the second strip of magnets. The two strips should attract each other. Now that you have completed the second strip of magnets, take the remaining magnet and ball bearings and assemble them like this. You can now set aside all of the magnets. We will be using the wooden blocks and Scotch tape to create braces for the magnetic strips. Take 5 of the wooden blocks and then arrange them in a pattern with 3 on the bottom and 2 on the top. To effectively secure them, you need to wrap the tape all the way around the blocks at the midpoints of each of the overlaps, as seen here, and at the joint between 2 separate overlaps, as seen here. You are now going to repeat the same process with the 5 other wooden blocks. Now that you have completed the second brace, simply set your 2 strips of magnets parallel and facing each other. Lay your wooden braces on top of the magnets. Now take your last magnet and lay it between the 2 strips of magnets in such a way that it is attracted to both sides. And you have completed your magnetic accelerator. To use, angle the 2 strips together at the end you want the magnet to be attracted to. As you can see here, the magnet was curving slightly as it rolled. If you have this problem, exchange one of the ball bearings for another one on your magnetic strip.